Hi everyone, my name is Ikra Zainab. With me there are more three members. We are going to represent our research topic that which focus on how Microsoft Team affect on productivity, learning, communication, collaboration and organization culture at University of Hertfordshire, UK. Microsoft Team has become essential tool at University of Hertfordshire. Students and teachers use this for online classes, group assignments, meetings, and share learning materials with each other. Because of this, it plays a big role how people communicate and collaborate with each other. Digital tools change the way how teachers teach and students study. Microsoft Teams can improve productivity and teamwork, but it creates a lot of issues as well, like confusion, like communication overload, and technical problems. So we need to understand it is how it is affecting the staff and student. So our research question is, how does Microsoft Team affect learning, productivity, communication, collaboration and culture at the University of Hertfordshire? And our research aim is to examine how Microsoft Team influence learning, productivity, communication, collaboration and the overall digital culture at the University of Hertfordshire. Thank you.
Okay, all right. Good afternoon, everyone. Um, my name is Masai Nicholas Benahili. I'm also a group member of 11.2. I'll be taking over from where my colleague stopped Zainab on this presentation. So I'll be taking over from research objectives. But before I start, I would like to appreciate Zainab for the wonderful presentation. So for our research objectives, we have outlined 5 research objectives for our research proposal. First, we are trying to explore how teams will affect productivity. So secondly, we'll be examining how it shapes communication and collaboration amongst members that have been utilizing Microsoft Teams. Thirdly, we want to see the influence Microsoft Teams have on digital culture at the University of Hertfordshire, which is our focal point for this research proposal. Fourth, we also want to compare experiences between staffs, the teaching staffs of the University of Hertfordshire and the students on their experiences with the utilization of Microsoft Teams. And finally, we'll also be making recommendations for better improvement on the use of Microsoft Teams. For our research philosophy, we are adopting the pragmatism and interpretivism philosophy. Reason being that we want to understand real life experiences of persons who have used Microsoft Teams for their daily activities. We want to understand their experiences, and by so we'll build on that and focus on, we'll build on that and bring on, we'll build on that to come up with ideas and themes for we'll build on that and come up with something very tangible. This will also help us to understand human behaviors, communication, and teamwork. And this approach is best suitable for pragmatism and interpretivism. For our research approach, we'll be using the inductive approach for our research approach. The reason we are adopting the inductive approach is because we are starting from people's experiences and we'll be building on their ideas and themes to arrive at our conclusion for the research proposal. We know this approach is suitable because we are focusing on behaviors, communication, and culture. That's why we are choosing inductive approach for our research work. So I'll be stopping here and handing over to my next colleague who will be continuing from where I stopped on this slide. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Mustafizur Rahman. Before starting my presentation, I would like to thank my previous partner Nicholas for having a beautiful presentation. Now, I'm going to talk about the methodological choice that we have made throughout this research. So we are going for the qualitative approach, and since we are not allowed to deal with the data right now, so we have the prospect for the future to how we would going to collect the data, and we have planned to collect the data. We are going to collect the data from the interviews with the students and the staffs of the university who is currently using the Teams and has benefited from it. We also have a plan to uh, form a questionnaires based on HARP to get a better insights. So that's the methodological choice that we have made for the research approach. Thank you. Now in this slide, I'm going to talk about the research strategy that we have made throughout the presentation. So in order to highlight the research strategy, we have gone through various different cases, which is University of Hertfordshire 2025 Teams meeting, staff and students guide, and University of Hertfordshire 2023 BSc Computer Science Online, which is based on digital learning case study. And we have been through various other cases to develop our research strategy and designs. So, which can help us focus on the organization tools that we are going to use, such as the teams. Thank you so much. Okay, next come to this next slide, which is on based on the time horizon. So we're going to use cross-sectional time horizon. That means research will collect info at the one point of time instead over a long period of time. This is happened because in a certain time at the university there are students and the staffs are present. So in order to, if we want to do it in the long period of time, that would take a lot of time. So in order to make it both convenient for us and for the students on or the attendees, we have selected this cross sectional method. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Olakunle Ajiboye. Before I start my presentation, I would love to thank all my group members for their beautiful presentation, and I will be talking about the expected outcome of our research work. As a group, we expect that Microsoft Teams can improve communication and teamwork, but it may also lead to challenges such as distraction, message overload, and technical issues. Because of this, the university may need to provide better training and support for digital well-being. Thank you. Conclusion. In conclusion, our group found that Microsoft Teams play an important role in universities' digital environment. It can boost productivity and help build a positive digital culture. We also believe that further research could help University of Hertfordshire make even better use of Teams. Thank you. References. Before we conclude, we would like to acknowledge the source that supported our research. To ensure transparency, these are the references we used throughout our presentation. Thank you. Thank you very much for listening to our presentation. We truly appreciate your time, interest, and engagement. Thank you.